My name is Dylan Goad, mailing supervisor here at the John Roberts Company, and we like Domino technology because it works.
John Roberts is a privately held organization. It's been in business for about 60 years. It's a family business. It's on the leading edge of technology. It's definitely grown within the industry in multiple facets within its organization. Within the past 3 years, we came from a cartridge-based type inkjet to a full line of Domino products, so we could triple our speeds and our processing time. That really set us apart. Well, basically, they brought me on board to revamp the direct mail portion back there. They were doing everything right. They're going down the right path. It was just the technology that they were currently using. Because we had a service contract, we had a guy that was here sometimes 5 days a week. However, it cost us money. Downtime, you're not making money. There's no profit when that's happening. And I think people sometimes get used to what the norm is with technology, so there was a lot of frustration with that technology. We chose the Domino Bitjet basically due to the design of the print head. It's a far superior print head compared to the current technology that we were using. I haven't met a substrate that this system does not work on yet. Everything from plastic cards, poly, full UV flood, it's more robust. It also has a positive head application in it too, so you can actually take that head and duplex or simplex and rotate that head in any direction you want to, so we found that very exciting. The past was that inkjet heads don't stay up. Well, this proved that wrong. Going to that, at 120 DPI up to 170 DPI with 2 inches of print, customers started asking for higher resolution. This higher resolution has moved us into the K600. The older system that we have in-house here, it's one size drop. I have no control of that. So with the new Domino K600, we can get down to almost a 1-point font and see it under glass, and it's crisp and clear. The quality that the K600 produces and the speed that we can produce has cut my processing time way down. We're injecting sometimes up to 35,000 pieces per hour on that unit back there. That K600 at this time almost runs probably 20 hours a day. Could use another one.
At John Roberts, all our managers have responsibility for R&D. And through those efforts, we found Domino, and I'm glad that we did.
I would say by moving to the Domino technology and going 100% to that type of platform has really opened up the doors for John Roberts and the customers. My goal as the direct mail manager here is to implement 100% of the Domino product line across the board.